So what's up? Kamusta? Ayos pa tayo dyan. So nandito tayo ngayon sa may Mitsubishi San Rafael branch para sa update natin. At available nga po dito itong SYM Cruising 150. So alamin natin yung presyo kung sulit pa rin nga ba ngayon 2026 at yung specification niya. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Walk around natin to. Ayos na ayos siya.
It's 5 a.m. Ain't nobody see the work that I'm putting in. Something deep inside a thirst. I can feel it in my skin. Look around me, it's a curse. Think I'm losing all my friends. And overnight success, what they'll call it in the end. I got this hunger inside of me, violently scratching and clawing. The scars multiplying. I need something more in this life. It ain't finding me. Fuck it, I'm done being silent. You see, I need purpose. A reason to think that it's all fucking worth it. A reason to wake up and live in this circus. A reason to fight all my visceral urges. Growing up, never felt like I fit in. I still don't, but it's better when I get wins. On stage, looking out at my best friends. We gon' get real loud till the night ends. I get pissed that I still don't have a top 10. It's a fucking boys club at the top then. Like I bracket haze just to get in. I ain't doing that shit, I don't pretend. Yeah, I wanna be the best. Always had a drive that I had to beat the rest. Yeah, put me in the game when there's only seconds left. When the game's on the line, yeah, you see me at my best. I can feel it in my heart when it's beating at my chest. That's when I lock in, getting better every breath. That's when I'm all in, I can handle any threat. I ain't never second guess, I know I could be the best. Let me tell you.
So ayun ang mga best, no, available na nga po dito sa may Mitsubishi San Rafael branch. Dalawang unit yan. Meron tayong kulay white dito and then yung kulay black doon na matte finish. Ito naman is glossy white. Okay, so available pa rin dito ang Cruising 150. Okay, meron tayong dalawa rito na ito naka-activate to. Makikita natin dito yung panel niya and then yung ilaw, kung kamusta nga ba ang ilaw na to at kung sulit nga ba. Bilhin ngayon 2026 bagong taon, and then gusto ko lang din kayong i-update sa presyo nito dahil nga alam naman natin bumaba yung presyo nito. So naka dual channel ABS na nga rin to. Panalo talaga yung specs nito kahit sabihin natin na napag-iwanan itong si Cruising, pero alam ko babalik to at meron tong surprise. And sa SYM pa marami tong nilalabas ng mga motorcycle. So abangan natin yan in 2026. So ngayon, tingnan natin kung ano pa rin ba sa 5.2, abot pa rin ba ng 5.2 ang Cruising 150. So side stand natin, check natin. So medyo mabigat yung motor pero ang bulky kasi talaga niyang tingnan no? Talagang ano to maxi scooter ang isang to. So ganyan ang itsura niya kapag naka side stand. So eto, 5'2 ang ating height, tingnan natin, pero napaka-komportable niyang sakyan. Tapos ang laki pala nung ano nito. Laki nung kanyang side mirror. Tapos yung kanyang handlebar, naka-naked handlebar tayo rito. And then ang laki din nung ating gulay board. Tapos meron tayong extension. Ganyan extension natin. Ganyan yung riding position natin. Okay? So pwede rin tayo dito sa side. Ayan, ito kasi yung ating angkasan, di ba? So itsura naman natin para sa angkas. Pag naging OBR tayo, ito yung itsura pag OBR. Ayan. Sobrang lambot ng upuan sa back ride. Same lang din naman dito sa front, sa rider natin, pero mas malambot dito sa back ride. Ayan, so sobrang komportable, tapos hindi masyadong yung tuhod natin, hindi masyadong nakatiklop. Okay, sakto lang para sa akin. Okay, yung 5'2". Pero siguro kapag matangkad ka, ayan natin, di ba? So, ayan, hindi masyadong madulas yung gulay board, and 5'2" yung ating height. Ayan, tingnan natin kung ano yung tsura natin dito. Ayan, so yung shock, lambot, sobrang lambot din ng shock sa likod. Ayan. So sa turning radius niya, malawak din yung turning radius and yung shock niya. Yun So ayan, tingnan natin yung ayan yung itsura natin dito. And sa tingin nyo, sulit pa rin nga bang bumili ng Cruising ngayong 2026? Sa tingin nyo, comment nyo naman yan. Nice siya. So center stand natin, tingnan natin kung magaan din ba siya yung center stand. Medyo may kabigatan yung motorcycle, pero kayang-kaya naman. Ayos.
What I know about life. And the more that you fight is the more that you learn. What you got deep inside is the more that you learn. And you find out your why. It wasn't ever that cool to be a tryhard, but all the cool kids didn't make it that far. It doesn't take education, it takes smarts. It takes fucking hard work and a full heart. They ain't see the work that I put in. They just see a rock star with a big grin. That's cool, I don't need recognition. I just wanna be free, that's a must.